Pierce, Stay Natural Me, and we have a beautiful day. Look at the mountains. Ah! I'm so excited. We're about ready to go camping here the next couple of weeks, getting out of this spot that we're in. Right now we're out doing laundry, so you probably hear the planes. I hear them. You hear them in the background, so I'm trying to speak where you can hear me. I'm just really enjoying this day. I am eating low carb. I'm kind of sticking to keto, but I am more low carb than keto at the moment. I'm not focusing on the weight because that's really distracting me. So I don't want to do that anymore. And at least not for right now. I'm just kind of fed up with it. So I'm just hanging out here, leaning against my RV. My baby's got to be cleaned up. It's a little dirty. And that's it for today. I just wanted to come on and say hi. I hope you're doing well. I hope I haven't discouraged anybody. You gotta live your life. You gotta live your life and enjoy your life. And that's what I'm doing. So, stay healthy. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.